Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have 2 points and we're supposed to find the slope. This is my point 1, this is my point 2, this is my x1, this is my y1, x2, y2. Formula m is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is equal, y2 is equal negative 6 minus y1, which is equal 3, over negative 5 minus negative 5 is equal negative 9 over negative 5. Negative times negative gives me positive. Please notice that negative 5 plus 5 is going to give me 0. So negative 9 divided by 0 gives me undefined number. Okay, so this ratio is undefined. It means that the problem, okay, this problem has no slope. There is no slope anytime the ratio is undefined. Next, let's take a look how this is going to look on the graph. Okay, let's take a look how this condition is going to look at the graph. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and I have first point minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3, 1, 2, 3. This is my point 1, P1, and we have negative 5 and negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is my point 2. Connect these two. And let's take a look what we have obtained. When we have the same values of x coordinates, the solution is going to be always vertical line parallel to y-axis, okay, and is going to cut the x-axis, right, at the coordinates which are the same, in this case minus 5. So this is the graphical solution to my problem.